Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're firing up the gas grill to show you how to cook a perfect, juicy, and flavorful steak every single time. Say goodbye to overcooked or undercooked steaks, and become a grill master in no time. Before we get started, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing recipes and cooking tips. Now, let's get grilling. Now, for cooking the perfect steak on a gas grill, you'll need the following. 2 high-quality steaks, preferably ribeye or tomahawk. Vegetable oil. Kosher salt. Freshly ground black pepper. We will also need to make herb butter to serve on the steak. For the herb butter you will need 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened. 2 tablespoons finely chopped fresh parsley. 1 tablespoon finely chopped fresh chives. 1 clove of garlic, minced. Salt and pepper to taste. Now that you have all the ingredients, let's start cooking. First, let's prepare the optional herb butter. In a small bowl, combine the softened butter, parsley, chives, minced garlic, salt, and pepper. Mix well and refrigerate until ready to serve. Then, remove the steak from the refrigerator and let it come to room temperature for about 30 minutes. This ensures even cooking and a juicier result. Now, preheat your gas grill to high heat, aiming for a temperature of around 500 degrees Fahrenheit. While the grill is heating, pat the steak dry with paper towels. Brush both sides of the steak lightly with vegetable oil, and then, season generously with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper. Once the grill is hot, place the steak on the grates and close the lid. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, then give the steaks a quarter turn for those classic grill marks. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes before flipping the steaks over. Repeat this step for the other side of the steak as well. Now you need to keep flipping the steak every 1 minute until the internal temperature is around 135 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the steak has reached your desired temperature, remove it from the grill and let it rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute and ensures a tender, juicy steak. Top the steak with a dollop of herb butter and serve immediately with your favorite sides. Now you know how to cook the perfect steak on a gas grill. No more guessing or stressing over your steak. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow grill enthusiasts. And don't forget to leave a comment below, telling us your favorite steak cut or seasoning. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.